Alright, I got a MacBook Air here. I'm going to be showing you how to replace this USB port when they go bad. Personally, I thought it was a bad idea, but some people like it, I don't. Whatever, to each their own. But if it does go bad, it's actually not too hard to replace. You just got to get these little screws here. Now this one looks fine. I already fixed it, but I'm doing it again just to show you how I did it. The customer had something plugged in when he dropped the laptop, you can see right there. But luckily nothing happened, or at least nothing major. Get rid of these screws here. It'll be on each corner, and I have the wrong size screwdriver. I think I'm going to end up stripping this. Alright, this one looks... yeah, this one fits way better. Alrighty, now we got this off. Get rid of these screws here. Now see, this kind of covers and gets in the way. You won't be able to pull that out, or maybe you can. I'm just going to take it off. Don't want to pry and force anything. There it goes. This here, just lift up this tab to get it off. It's pretty simple, easy to get out. Now this one here, be a little careful. It's a delicate little wire. You don't want to rip it by accident. And it'll disconnect it from here. There you go. You can just go on Amazon, eBay. You can get this pretty simple. This number crosses anything. Or just look up your model of the MacBook Air. This one's the third model, the mid-2009 version. You can get these for pretty cheap. Around 10 bucks, maybe a little more. And this is already done, so I'll just go and put it back. It's pretty much the same thing, just in reverse. Get that back in there. Well, I'm going to speed it up. The rest of it is just me taking too much time to put it back together. And the only other thing I want to mention is the two center screws in the back are going to be a lot longer than the other screws, so they won't fit correctly if you put them anywhere else. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. You'll notice that it seemed like it doesn't seal right in a laptop. That was because the customer dropped it, so it's just never going to sit right. It's just a little tweaked like that. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll probably be making some more. What the hell's going on? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? I don't know what I'm doing anymore. There he goes. Ah, crap. Crap. Leave me alone. Crap, I got a light on me too. Leave me alone. I'm dead. I'm gonna freaking die. Ah, crap! And I'm dead.